Hello and welcome to Deltaface CAD software. The purpose of this video is to show you the possibilities offered by the Deltaface Appliance software. As an example, I will show you today how to create a lingual arch. Please note that I am neither an orthodontist nor a dental technician, and you will see how easy it is to use it. So first, I have to go in the Appliance tab. We load a model. The model needs to be closed, and then we'll first create the molar bands. First one here. And a second one. Then we select both curves with the control button, and we can now use the molar band function. Choose the thickness here and the gap. Click on the button and we select the zone on the model where we need the molar band. Good. Now we'll do the same thing on the other side. Good. Now that we have both molar bands, we select the model and we can create a bar. Now there is a function when if you maintain the click button, it will create automatically many points. Then you just have to guide the bar. With the C touch, we close this bar. So now we can change the radius of this bar and add a gap. When you click on this bar, you select it and you click on the square, the manipulator, and you can modify this bar by modifying the control points. Okay, it seems good. Now we can just hide the model to check the contacts between the bar and the molar bands. It seems fine. So now we just have to select the three elements, one molar band, the bar, and the second molar band, create union. And now we have one new model created here. And you can now export the STL file and print it.